Hello there! Today is going to be an exciting session as we are going to make a stick. Yes, different sizes of stick, for which let's see what are the instructions. Well, yes, we are going to require a few things for that. So, why don't we see the materials which we have? Craft paper, pencil, paintbrush and glue. So let's read the instructions and start making our first stick. At first, we are going to keep it in a diamond shape or diagonally. And after that, from one corner, let's start rolling it inwards. We will use our fingertips and start rolling this. With one finger, we will roll it and then use both our thumb to start rolling it inwards. Not to worry if your paper opens. You can retry it once again. Complete the entire thing like this. And then open it. Now that your paper is a little curled up, it is going to be easier for you to make a thinner one. So let's start this again. With your fingers, start rolling it slowly inwards. You can use one hand to hold the paper and your other hands to roll the paper. When you're almost at the half of your paper, you can use both the hands to roll it. Why don't we roll this together? This is amazing! The stick is very thin now. Once we have this edge or once we have this portion, let's take our glue and put it there. Well, you can also use tape to stick this. But well, it is going to be easier for us to stick it with our glue. So let's put some glue and continue rolling on top of it. And well, our stick is ready. Now let's see how to make a medium-sized stick. Let's take another squared marble paper and then start rolling it. But wait, we need to take a brush to roll it so that it is a little thicker. Put your brush inside this and use your fingertips of both the hands to roll the paper. Yes, we are going to roll the paper on top of the brush. When you reach the opposite end, stick the paper with the help of a glue or an adhesive tape. Once your paper is curled up, you can open it and do it once again so that it's firm this time. If you notice, we're going from the bottom of the square to the top of the square. Once you have a little space here, you can put glue and stick it. Roll it gently and press it gently as well. This is amazing! Once it's stuck, you can keep your stick on the side. Now it's time for us to make the third stick, which is even fatter, for which we will take a pencil, put it inside and roll it from the right side to the left side of the square. When we reach the opposite side, we will take our glue and make a straight line in the corner. Well, this is great. Finally, we are going to roll on top of it and stick it. Once we are done with that, we are going to remove our pencil from it and stick it nicely. If you notice, this is the fattest stick. This looks amazing. We have three types of stick. The first one is thin and long, the second one is a little thick, and the third one is the thickest.